Okay, we're set up. We're going to drill out for the third pickup on the drill press. Again, this is Tim from Rustic Outlaw Guitars, and Two in the Chest coming at you, starting this brand new build for Two in the Chest for the new record. And we're looking forward to getting these guitars done. So here we go. It's going to be a little noisy, so you may want to turn your sound down. But we're going to drill out, get rid of most of the wood, so we can come back with the router and route in for the third pickup. So here we go.
About the 1 inch at the perfect depth.
First hole, and now we'll drill a second one.
Oh, make on real hard. Really nice that the Kirkit well to set up the Dane. And actually going with solid tops. Versus the veneering. Really made their kit. Really. These four-stroke bits getting pretty rough. Hopefully I get through this one. Once you get to the mahogany, it's way low. Hold on. Oh no. Now in the mahogany, there's that much something I wanted. That maple's all stop. Wanted.
There we go, routed, or drilled at least for the neck pocket. Looks like we could go a little deeper on those holes, so I'm gonna go a little deeper. Next video.